Have you once ever said this? God, I wish that I could just skip this day. I wish this day would just never come back on the calendar ever again. This day, I'm just going to lie in bed and stay in bed until that day is over. And I understand. We all have a certain day in our lives that are marked as dark. Because we all have this one day that we wish we could just skip every year. A day where something has happened, a day that could have traumatized us, that could have scarred us. Maybe this one day you had a departure of a loved one. Or this one day, maybe you missed an opportunity that could have changed your life, that could have made your dreams come true, but you did not grab that opportunity. Or this one day that you made a bad judgment in someone and ended up in a wrong relationship. This one day, maybe you made a mistake and you let the wrong person go and you never told them how you felt. We all have a day that we marked as dark. The day that we made a mistake, the day something bad happened to us or to someone in our family or a loved one. And I understand. And I understand the pain. I do. But on the other hand, we do have to realize that nothing in this world is more precious than time. Also, past time, because past time are full of memories. And not only are they full of memories, they are filled with lessons. If something bad has happened to you or a loved one in the past, or something in an event, I am terribly sorry. I am really sorry if this has happened to you. But please try to not say, I wish I could just skip this day. Because why? If you would skip this day, regardless of whatever happened, whatever painful event happened, it's still memories. If it's a departure of a loved one, that day is also filled with memories. Yes, it is filled with pain, but it is also filled with beautiful memories of your loved one, your departed loved one. If you made a mistake by letting the right person out of your life, if you made a mistake by not telling someone how you felt, you still have a lesson from this. And you have now learned a lesson that you will not back down. If you have the feels, you have now learned that it is never wise to not speak up, to not tell someone how you are feeling. We can all take lessons from our past mistakes, from this day that we wish to skip. And why would you deny yourself these beautiful memories and these life lessons from this dark day in your past that you can take with you in the future? And you can take these memories and you can cherish them. And you can take these life lessons and learn and grow. And you can really blossom from these life lessons, because I've said this before in many other videos. The best teacher in life are mistakes. Because you will learn from your mistakes, you will grow from your mistakes, you will blossom from your mistakes, and you will only get bigger, better, faster, smarter for the next time something comes around. Life is always going to test us. Life is always going to hand us bad lemons. It's up to us to sift through the right lemons and to make nice and sweet lemonade. And also, from these past life lessons and these beautiful memories, just remember that they are always in your heart, they are always in your soul, they are always in your mind. And they can make you stronger. But please don't try to skip a day because it was a dark day, because it was hurtful. Again, I understand. But time is precious. Time yet to come in the future your tomorrow, your next week, your next month, your next year, and your years to come. But present time, right now, is precious. Is just as precious as your future time. Because the time that you have today, you have the opportunity to cherish your memories, to learn from your life lessons, and to grab your opportunities and make your dreams come true. Your past time you can no longer retrieve. It's gone, it's in history forever. But you can still take the life lessons from your past time. You can still take the memories from your past time and use this to your advantage. Cherish your memories. Learn from your life lessons. Learn and grow from your mistakes. And please understand the value of time. Not only its value, its importance. The power it carries. Nothing is more quick to get away from you than time. And time ticks away unforgivingly and very fast. So don't try to skip it. Don't push this day away. It is still time. And it is still time for you. Time to cherish. Time to grow. Time to learn from. And today, it is your time to take control. Be who you want to be. Do what you have to do. Do it at your own pace. Do it at your own time. And do it your way. You got this. I know you can do this. And again, I understand. I truly hope that you loved and enjoyed this video. If you happen to be new here, then please be sure to like and subscribe. And also be sure to push that notification bell so you will not miss a new video or upload of LesleyBos Motivation. Thank you so much for always being here for me and for being my fans, my followers and my subscribers right here on YouTube. If it weren't for you, I would not be standing here as a motivational speaker, inspiring and motivating you to be the absolute best version of you. Have an absolutely awesome and terrific day. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Please stay safe out there, and I definitely will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys.